1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Yeah!
This set of quintuplets all just graduated from the same university. Anna Maria, Emilio George, and John Diaz, each 21, were born within 3 minutes of each other in 1996. Since then, they've been inseparable. Even living in the same college houses and studying for finals in the library together. So when it came to college, of course the siblings went together to the University of North Texas. The siblings had different majors, which included biology, finance, Spanish, social communication, and art, but sometimes ended up in the same class. The quintuplets say them leaving for school was also a life change for their younger brother Sebastian, who was used to having them all around. Watching them all walk across the stage, their dad says, is his proudest moment. And the best part is, they all got to celebrate it together. I'm Kelly Nealon for InsideEdition.com.